It's summertime, it's officially summer. Oh my goodness, it's been 21 days. Thanks for watching the collab. Well, good morning, summer. It's here. Although it's been here in Texas for like, I don't know, the whole month of June because it's hot. So, final day. Let's get to it. We got two. We've got one from Jean and one from Kelly. So let me go ahead and do our postcard. And don't forget to go down below. This is the final day. Go click on their links to see what they got. And, oh, I love it. So cute. Okay, so this one has hello in several different languages. Super cute. I like that. Can you see it? I love it. Shalom. I can read. Huh? Shalom. Hola. Aloha. Ciao. Ciao. Bonjour. I probably need to work on my accents. But still, it's fun. Here we go. What was your first job? My very first job was working at the Fudge Kitchen in Solvang, California. You heard it from me. It was Jim Garahe's Fudge Kitchen. It was my very first job. And yeah, that was it. I had fun working there too. Oh yeah. There was a pretzel place next to it, and we used to get in some food fights with the people that work over in the pretzel shop. A little old fudge and little pretzels would get tossed around a little at each other. You know, when there's no managers in there, the kids will play. I was a kid. All right, so let me get to these presents, and then I'm going to do a blessing to end it for this time. So here is Because You're Flamazing, Auntie Jean. Oh, she got some kind of jewelry. Oh, wow, that's pretty. Family. It's a bracelet. I can't get it out. It doesn't want to let me get it out. But it's a really pretty bracelet. I don't know if you can see it. It's pretty. It's a pretty bracelet. Aw, it says family on it. So pretty. Thank you. That's gorgeous. And Kelly. Okay. Like I said, I feel so bad. You guys went like way overboard, and I just kind of had fun. I think I gave. So this one, I have no idea. It's in a box, and it's heavy. This one's from Kelly. Look at it. And it's wrapped up tight. Layers and layers and layers. Oh, how adorable. They're coasters. How cute. That is so cute. I love it. They are adorable. Thank you. That was so sweet of you both. I love it. Okay. So, my hair is doing the curly, wavy, frizzy thing today. So the last one is it's from Psalms 34:18. He heals the brokenhearted. He heals the brokenhearted. Can you see that? Come on, focus. There we go. That is the final message for the first day of summer. He heals the brokenhearted. So, thanks so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed it. You never know when we do another one, so stay tuned, and y'all have a blessed summer. Have fun. Bye.